Rosetta Stone has been around longer than I've been alive, but how does it compare to more modern language apps? I tested out Rosetta Stone and Memrise to see how these programs hold up against each other to save you your time and precious dollars. Let's get started with Memrise. It has been quite some time since we last talked about Memrise here on this channel, so let's talk about how Memrise is keeping itself current for users. You still get videos of native speakers in your lessons to introduce you to new words and phrases, but the real program change-up is in their AI integration. It seems like almost every language app out there is looking for a way to use AI for speaking practice. Memrise actually rolled out a few new features called AI Buddies that assist with teaching grammar, cultural insights, and simulated conversations. They even have a chatbot you can interact with vocally or through text in real time. Now, these are all handy tools and extras, but how does all this compare to Rosetta Stone? Well, rather than giving you multiple aids, Rosetta Stone has always prided itself in its dynamic immersion teaching methodology. Essentially, they aim to teach you a new language by building associations between words and phrases to images. As a result, the Rosetta Stone program will, over time, make your brain actually start thinking in your target language instead of just translating back and forth. It is great for visual learners because you will always have images in your exercises. Of course, the Rosetta Stone teaching method can take some getting used to, especially when starting totally from scratch with a new language. It can even feel a little overwhelming to get through exercises in the beginning, but that's where all the extra resources they offer come in. Apart from your everyday lessons, you can switch things up by utilizing their extras like phrasebooks, audio companions, and even short video lessons. This really makes sure that all types of learners can benefit from the Rosetta Stone program. Now, you might be wondering about what kind of speaking practice you'll get with Rosetta Stone. Thanks to their True Accent speech tech, you get feedback on your pronunciation that's priceless when trying to perfect your accent. Now, even though Memrise has their own speech tool, we found Rosetta Stone's to be more accurate and helpful. Rosetta Stone truly has always kept users in mind, and their updates over the years show that. Now, you have the option to use their offline mode to download full lessons ahead of time to complete later. This is great for knocking out a lesson on a plane or something you utilize if you have trouble keeping a steady internet connection on your phone. Fluency is more than being able to mentally translate between two languages. You have to build your understanding of all aspects of your target language. And this is honestly where we started to see Memrise fall a little bit short. While the AI Buddies are a fun addition, they sometimes feel more like party tricks than actual teaching tools. The simulated conversations are helpful for getting comfortable speaking, but you don't always walk away with a deeper understanding of why a phrase works the way it does. The grammar explanations from the AI can also be hit or miss, and we notice some inconsistencies depending on the language we were trying to learn. Memrise also leans pretty heavy on memorization through repetition. That works great for picking up vocabulary quickly, but it doesn't always translate to actually using the language in real situations. You might know 100 words after a few weeks, but still struggle to string together a few basic sentences with a native speaker. Rosetta Stone, on the other hand, has you building those connections from day one. By the time you finish a unit, you aren't just recognizing words, you're using them in context. That's a huge difference when it comes to long-term retention and real-world application. Let's talk pricing because this is where things get interesting. Memrise offers a free version with limited content, and their paid plans run roughly about $15 a month or about $90 a year. They also have a lifetime option that pops up on sale fairly often. Rosetta Stone, on the other hand, runs a bit higher month to month, but their lifetime subscription is honestly where the value lives. For a one-time payment, you get access to all 25 languages that they offer forever. If you've ever thought about learning more than one language, or if you want to come back to your studies years down the road without having to pay again, that lifetime plan basically pays for itself. Keep an eye out for their sales too. They're really good about running them. I'll do my best to keep the link down below in the description updated with all of the most current coupon codes I can find. So who is each app actually best for? Memrise is a solid pick if you want something casual and fun, if you're planning a trip in a few months and just want to pick up a few phrases, or if you like the gamified style of learning with quick daily sessions. Memrise is going to treat you pretty well if that's all you want. The AI features make it feel fresh and modern, and the native speaker videos are pretty useful when picking up on natural pronunciation. Rosetta Stone, on the other hand, is the better choice hands down if you're serious about actually becoming fluent. If you want a program that builds a real foundation in your target language, one that teaches you to think in that language instead of translating in your head, this is the one for you. It's also the better pick for visual learners, for anyone who wants offline access and for folks who care about getting their pronunciation right thanks to their true accent feedback. For us, Rosetta Stone takes the win in this comparison. The immersion method, the speech analysis, the extra resources, and that lifetime pricing option all add up to a great program built for long-term success. Memrise could be a nice supplement though. If we had to pick just one to commit to, Rosetta Stone is the one we'd put our money on. That's our take on Rosetta Stone versus Memrise. For a full detailed review of our experience with both of these apps and their features, just Google Guide to Fluency, Rosetta Stone versus Memrise. We'll also be giving away a free language learning subscription to one of our subscribers. It's super simple to enter, just like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.